Fall has arrived in Southern California. The air feels softer now, and the light carries that golden hue that only shows up this time of year. Even though it's beautiful here year-round, there's something about fall that always feels like an invitation to slow down, to breathe a little deeper, to come home to yourself. It's been my favorite season for as long as I can remember. Maybe because it reminds me of my home growing up in Arizona. Those first cool evenings when I'd open the front door to let in the breeze while cooking Sunday dinner and watching football with my dad. Go Cardinals. Those small, steady moments of comfort have stayed with me.
Like you wanted me to pet you.
Now that I'm in California, not much has changed except the company. My rituals may look a little different, but the feeling is the same. There's a rhythm to it. Morning lattes, slow walks, sunlight through the trees, feeding the squirrels at the park. Even Ginger seems to know when the season turns. I find myself craving time outdoors, the quiet kind that lets your mind settle. The rose garden near our home has become a small sanctuary. I love to stop and notice the blooms, the birds, the way the light shifts throughout the day. Each week, I refill the hummingbird feeders. I love knowing they'll arrive, tiny bursts of color in motion. I think my love for them comes from my mom. She has several feeders at home, and we often send photos and videos back and forth, sharing those simple joys that connect us. Being outside always brings me back to center. It reminds me how deeply connected our mental and emotional well-being are to nature, to fresh air, movement, and stillness. Whether it's walking, hiking, or simply sitting in the sun, I always feel calmer after time outdoors.
All right, lady.
Yoga does that for me too. It's more than movement. It's a way to come back to the body, to breath, to presence. It's where I reconnect with myself after the busyness of the day. This season, I've been leaning into smaller rituals, the kind that make everyday life feel intentional. A friend brought me a bag of fresh passion fruit from her garden, and I made a simple tart, one for me and one to gift her in return. Acts like that, baking, sharing, slowing down, Remind me that nourishment comes in many forms. Fall, for me, is about noticing how the light shifts, how the air cools, how gratitude shows up in the smallest corners of life. I hope this season finds you rooted in your own rhythm, doing what brings you peace, calm, and joy. I'd love to hear what fall means to you. Leave me a message in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Till next time, be well.